Wherever the trucking was. We have a deal with Advantage Low Floor Diesel, 4728, on the 46th to Medical Center. These doors will open. Okay, now we're getting off the bus. And now the bus is not in service. 5728. And now I'm going to go look at the back of the bus. This is one of the buses with the additional tail lights. The ROHRs. $1,013. Oh, it's Breda 3146. It's the one with the new lighting. Metro station. And there's a Shady Grove train coming. It looks like there are rehab EDAs. Oh, they're Alstoms! 6,058. 6,059. ROHR 1,089. ROHR 1,088. ROHR 1,159 and ROHR 1,158. And I think there are more Alstoms down there. Here it is. See if it still has ROHR tags. It does! Both of them do! Our train's coming. There are 2 trains coming from the tunnels. Looks like this one's coming in first. 8-car Shady Grove train, and it looks like it has either Alstoms or Bredas. They're Alstoms. 6,053. And unrefurbished Bredas. 2091, 2090, 2026, 2027. Looks like we're going. Oh! Let's get on the CAF. 5,171. I'm going one stop. Oh, and more unrefurbished Bredas. Okay, we're on this. On the J2 to Montgomery Mall. 7,085. 2011 in WMATA New Flyer Excelsior XDE 40. It's a Bethesda circulator over there. And 2 Geolic Advantage low floor diesel 30-footers. Someone's taking the bike off of the bus. about to leave. I've been on one of these. The auto show. One more train I was on earlier is finally deleted. Fine. We're going to see if we get unlimited Bredas. Rehab Breda 2084, 3084, Alstom 5063. 5,602, 1,004, 1,265, and refurbished Breda 3,094. Let's get on it. There's a New Flyer C40LF on the 46. 5833. It's headed to Medical Center. I'm waiting for the J5 WMATA bus, and we just came off those tracks. And there goes 5833. Here it is. Okay, we have refurbished BRE, unrefurbished BREDAs. 4,089, 4,088, 1,253 ROH, 1,252, 3,090, 3,091, 6,052, 6,053. The ones that started with 3,000 were refurbished BREDAs. The ones that started with 6,000 were Alstoms. Okay, it looks like we have 6,000 series Alstoms. 6,049, 6,048. Rehab Breda 3005 and 3004. ROHRs 1,284 and 1,285. And more Alstoms 6,174 and 6,175. We are getting on the 46 to Montgomery College. Bus stop 25524, and this is New Flyer C40LF 5833. Alright, now it's going to leave.